Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, I just want to give a quick reminder to you guys that our Telegram group channel is officially live, guys. Come join the group. It's free and let's talk a crypto and just have a great time. So come join and say hello. But with that being said, let's jump right into the content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.55 trillion. We're down 15.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.2%. Looking at the overall markets, we are seeing a sea of red across the board. Major bloodbath going on right now, and that is all due to Bitcoin, guys. And Bitcoin was unable to hold yesterday, last night, around that $42,000 level. And I did say, you guys can go watch my video. I said I am not 100% certain unless we reach a specific price level for Bitcoin that the bottom is in, and exactly that's what happened. Bitcoin was unable to reach that, and I believe that was a clear fake out, and we are seeing a more downwards trend for Bitcoin right now, and it's still shaky. That's what the entire market is seeing. Major bloodbath across the board. Very panic times. Going on around the crypto markets, but I believe as soon as Bitcoin were to stabilize, we will see markets recover. But right now, I want to talk about XRP, guys. All right, guys. So XRP family, let's look at this together. If we're looking at XRP's price right now, XRP is down quite a bit. It's trading right now at 85.2 cents. It's down 23.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's also down 15.1% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $39.3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $10 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is up 337.1%, and obviously in the last 14 to 7 days we are obviously down, but this is just not XRP, guys. This is the entire market as a whole. But let's deep dive into the XRP charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could go in the immediate short term. Alright, so if we're bringing up the XRP's chart, I have the Fibonacci retracement pulled up right off the bat, so we can get right into the content. So if we're looking at XRP's price right now, guys, the initial wick that we saw just 2 days ago, that was caused by this whole market correction that we're seeing due to Bitcoin. We saw XRP fall back down to 84.5 cents, but since then we saw markets recover. Obviously the fake out I was talking about, we saw markets recover very fast, and we did see XRP get back into the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. But since then markets have tumbled down once again, and you guys can see XRP has even fallen further down from this wick that we saw back just 2 days ago. And right now we're sitting at we saw it fall down to 81.1 cents, but right now we're sitting right above that, and we're sitting at 87.64 cents. So the entire market sentiment is not looking too bullish for the short immediate term, because right now all eyes are on Bitcoin, guys. Doesn't matter what project you're looking at, the project is down right now, and that is due to Bitcoin. And as I say in all my videos, Bitcoin rules the market. It is the leading indicator of the markets. As much as you guys hate it, that's just the reality, and we have to face the reality. Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the market, and when Bitcoin has these kind of pullbacks, retracements, or flash crash, whatever you want to call it, markets will go down. All the currencies will go down, and XRP is obviously no exception. But like I said, so it's all depending on Bitcoin. Obviously, we have been seeing so much FUD going around in the markets right now. We have that China FUD along with the Elon FUD, and that has caused Bitcoin price to fall very significantly. And let's look at Bitcoin's price right now to see what's exactly going on. So yeah, as I mentioned, the Elon FUD and the China FUD, they came out very, very close to one another, and that has really caused Bitcoin price to fall very, very significantly. And obviously that has created the entire markets, going downwards. So if we're looking at Bitcoin's price right now, guys, Bitcoin is literally, as we speak, as I'm making this video right now, Bitcoin is literally sitting on the support level of at that $36,100 level. It's literally sitting on that right now. And as of now, we can clearly see that Bitcoin has the possibility of falling towards the downward side easily. It's very possible, and we could even see us fall below that 30K level once again, and that would create a double bottom. I do expect a recovery if we were to fall down, and but only time will tell. But as of now, I would not be surprised if we were to fall down below 30K, because the entire sentiment is very, very negative right now. And I believe whales are really trying to shake out the markets as much as they can before we do see some sort of recovery in the markets. As I mentioned in my previous videos, if you guys haven't watched my previous videos, I will explain it to you once again. So basically, what I would personally like for XRP to do is, yesterday we were chilling around this $42,000 level. I said I would like XRP to get back above this level of support. Well, it's a resistant level now, but $43,300 level. I wanted to get above that and trade sideways. And I did say, you guys can go watch my video. I said, in the next 24 to 48 hours, we will be able to tell if this move was, actually, we did see the bottom, and, this move is actually going towards the, next, towards the upwards trend, or it was a fake out. But clearly that was a fake out, and we're seeing a Bitcoin tumble back towards the downward side. And what I would still personally like for Bitcoin to do is, I would not personally like for Bitcoin to fall down to 30K or even below that, because at the end of the day, no one wants to see that. But we have to be realistic. We have to consider all the factors into this. This is cryptocurrency, guys. As much as you hate as much as you hate these kind of moves, guys, but you have to be prepared for these moves to occur, because these markets are heavily manipulated. And these kind of corrections can definitely occur on a continuous basis, so you have to be prepared for it. And you just have to have patience. So what I would like for Bitcoin to do is at least get above this $43,000 level, guys. If that happened, yes, we will be looking on the positive end. And we have to hold around that level for the next 1 or 2 days before we actually can say the bottom is in. Right now, the bottom is definitely not in, because we need some sort of confirmation to play out. So right now, we could see Bitcoin tumble below 30K, guys. If that happened, we will see altcoins going down even further. And we just got to keep it realistic on this channel. You guys know me, all my followers on my channel, I keep it 100% realistic with you guys, and I share exactly every single thing that I can think of with you guys, because we have to keep 100% things realistic. We cannot be ultra moon boys and being extremely bullish that no, markets are gonna go back up in the next day. No, that's not how it works. We have to keep things realistic. Right now, if like I mentioned earlier, if a Bitcoin were to see, 30K once again, or go even below that, definitely we could see markets tumble down even further, and we could see a, continuous bloodbath across the board. And I would not be surprised if markets pull down to that level. We go below this 78.6. I would not like to see that happen, guys, but we have to, keep things realistic. And then we could even go possibly fall towards this, level of support at the 66 cents. It's a possibility. But let's say Bitcoin in the next 24 hours decides to, just go up towards the upside, then we could go definitely back towards this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. As you guys can see, markets tend to move very, very quickly. Right now, altcoins and Bitcoin are very, very highly correlated with one another. So when Bitcoin goes up, the altcoin goes up, go up very fast. But when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins are dropping very, very fast as well. So all eyes are on Bitcoin right now, guys, 100%. And that's what it is looking for XRP. But XRP long term, I don't see XRP going anywhere in my opinion, because at the end of the day, XRP is one of the biggest projects in the cryptocurrency space. It has built up its credibility over the years, and it is here to stay in my opinion. It has a working product, bullish major community, and I do not see it going anywhere. And only time will tell. But I always say before I end this video, you guys know me, all the Crypto ZX supporters know me, that I always say to you guys, if you are sitting in major profits, scale out, guys. Like, take some profits out, take some profits off the table, and use that for your personal use, or you could buy back cheaper when these corrections do occur. And now, if you guys did not believe me earlier, now you guys can see these kind of pullbacks always occur in cryptocurrencies, guys. Nothing, I'll repeat it again, nothing will ever go up straight in one line in cryptocurrencies. You will never get rich overnight. I'm sorry to break it to you. Patience is very much needed in this market, and you have to do your due diligence and research when investing in these markets. And always invest where you can afford to lose. I can never ever stress that enough, guys. But so far, this is what it is looking for XRP right now. I would personally like for Bitcoin to start gradually moving up slowly, and get back towards this 43K level that I keep on mentioning. And then I believe XRP, obviously, and with the entire market, is gonna have an upwards rally on its own, like gradually move up. So all eyes are on Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin goes down, yes, guys, we have to be prepared for XRP and the entire market to fall down with it. Just have to keep that in mind. And now, if we're going on to Twitter, I just want to share one thing with you guys, and that is the SEC update. Updates, upcoming events. So this next week that's coming ahead for XRP is very, very busy for the brand, the company Ripple. They have May 25th, May 27th, May 27th, May 28th, June 4th, June 10th. So very important weeks coming ahead in the next 22 I mean in the next coming week. And I will keep you guys updated and keep on making new videos for you guys if anything occurs or comes out of these hearings. So but yeah, that is it for today's video on XRP. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying right now, but yeah, that is it for today's video on XRP. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see XRP go at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And you guys know me, I've been saying this for a while. I said this Ripple and SEC the lawsuit that's going on, that has a lot of people on the sidelines right now. And we are also seeing a lot of whales accounts, the big major people with high net worths, and the rich list, basically, they are accumulating right now. They are accumulating XRP right now, while there is major fear across the board. And the saying, be greedy while others are fearful, and that's exactly what these bigger whales do. And you guys know the saying, richer get richer, and that's right in front of us. And if you guys can even look at the statistics. The big whale accounts are purchasing XRP. Not only the exchanges, guys, aside from the exchanges, there's actually holders that are accumulating during these dips, because they know what to do in these markets. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's content around here. Let me know your thoughts down below, and stay safe out there, guys. Safety is the most important thing. Health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And also, another quick reminder, come join the Telegram group, guys. It's free. Let's build this community together, and just have a great time and just talk crypto. and talk about this market sentiment. Just have a great time in the end. So come join and say hello. And with that being said, guys, smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button. It does help out the channel tremendously. It helps my videos get to a wider audience. But I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.